Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to join another airdrop called Kadena. Kadena is a hybrid blockchain platform for scalable, secure and fast transactions. As you can see, they've raised a huge $35 million in funding and it's confirmed, so you can't miss this. If you look at their investors, Multicoin Capital and some top names are backing them, so it's a really strong project. If you visit their X handle, as you can see, they've got 330k followers right now. They are active here and share lots of information about their project, which is another positive sign. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. So basically, to join this airdrop, you need to complete a few Galxe tasks. I'll share the link in the description. Simply click that link and you'll land on this page. First, you need to log in to your account. So here you need to complete all these tasks to earn points. Let's start first. Click follow Kadena on Galxe and it's done. Then follow Kadena on X. Click follow and it's done. Next, like the tweet. Then repost the tweet. Both are done. You can complete them all similarly, but it's better to do them with some time in between to avoid getting your X account banned. Now join their Discord. Accept the invite. Click complete. Accept the terms and submit. Now click verify. And it's done. Now join their Telegram. Next, visit the CoinMarketCap website. And it's done. Next, visit the CoinGecko website. And it's done. Now for the task, you need to participate in a quiz. Click start. Now the first answer is D. Then click next. The second answer is B. Then click next. The third answer is also B. And it's done. Now here, you can share your referral link with friends. After completing all the tasks, you can claim points. I'm not finished yet, so I'll complete all the tasks and then claim it afterward. That's it for this video. For more updates and airdrop opportunities like this, you must join our Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.